Angie, when will those clouds all disappear? Angie, Angie, where will it lead us from here? With no loving in our souls and no money in our coats, you can't say we're satisfied. But Angie, Angie, you can't say we never tried. Angie, you're beautiful, yeah, but ain't it time we said goodbye? Angie, I still love you. Remember all those nights we cried, all the dreams we held so close seem to all go up in smoke. Let me whisper in your ear, Angie, Angie, where will it lead us from here? Oh, Angie, don't you weep, all your kisses still taste sweet. I hate that sadness in your eyes. But Angie, Angie, ain't it time we said goodbye? With no loving in our souls and no money in our coats, you can't say we're satisfied. But Angie, I still love you, baby. Everywhere I look, I see your eyes. There ain't a woman that comes close to you. Come on, baby, dry your eyes. Angie, Angie, ain't it good to be alive? Angie, Angie, you can't say we never tried. Measuring the summer's day, I only find it slips away to gray. The hours they bring me pain. Tangerine living reflection from a dream. I was her love, she was my queen, and now 1,000 years between. Thinking how it used to be, does she still remember times like these? To think of us again, and I do.
Nights in white satin, never reaching the end. Letters I've written, never meaning to send. Beauty I'd always missed with these eyes before. Just what the truth is, I can't say anymore, 'cause I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, I love you. Gazing at people, some hand in hand, just what I'm going through, they can understand. Some try to tell me thoughts they cannot defend. Just what you want to be, you will be in the end. And I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you.
If I got on my knees and I pleaded with you not to go, but to stay in my arms, would you walk out the door like you did once before? This time be different, please stay, don't go. If I call out your name like a prayer, would you leave me alone in my fear, knowing I need you so? Would you still turn and go? This time be different, please stay, don't go, please stay. I loved you before I even knew your name, and I wanted to give you my heart, but now you came back after leaving me one time. Oh, I knew, oh how I knew that the heartache would start. If I call out your name like a song which was written for you, you alone, would you still hurt my pride, baby, till I cry? This time be different, please stay, don't go, please stay. You know I always love you, darling, please